So my name is Cecilia Mota. I go to Mass Academy and I'm a senior now, rising senior, yeah. So I was taking the SAT, like I took two SATs, I think, before Piece of Pie, and my score wasn't improving. So I wanted to find like a tutoring that would actually help me to get the score I needed. I want to go like to UF and I wanted to get Bright Futures too. And for that, I needed at least a 1350. So I really needed to get my SAT score up. So I was doing a tutoring like maybe twice a week, like an hour of tutoring, nothing very like it's not as much work as Piece of Pie was, it was very like light work. And it didn't help me because my scores like stayed the same. So I wanted to find something that would bring me to the scores I wanted. Well, I think that SAT is like you can study a lot for it and sometimes your score won't go up. Like you can like put all the work and everything, but so I had frustration with that because I was putting in the work, but I also knew I could do more. So I wanted to find like, for example, like Piece of Pie, like how everyone would say in school, like, oh, it's such a good tutoring that I would put my all my effort into it and like get my score. Well, I didn't really know how I was gonna like go because I know the classes are really long. Like I heard the classes are really long and like on Zoom, like I thought I wasn't gonna be able to like sit through the 4 hours, but it was actually very easy. Like I did not even like notice like they went by super fast. It was very good. Like the 4 hours go by really fast because you're also like talking to the teacher and to the other people in your class. So it's not really just you sitting there in your computer like listening. It's like you participating and like learning. So it goes by really fast. I think they should know it's a lot of work and like with school, like it can sometimes get a little like too intense. So like take it when you're not through like testing because you're not going to be able to, I mean, you need to like put into a lot of effort. Like you actually have to commit to it and do a lot of homework and it's a lot of hours, but it's worth it in the end. So I started with a 640 in math and I went up 80 points and got a 720 in my last SAT with Piece of Pie. I mean, I helped me get to my 1350, which I really wanted. So I already have bright futures. And yeah, like it made me really happy. Like now I'm like, oh, like I know I at least have a 1350 and at least I already got my bright future, so I'm happy. Like I think like the SAT is a very like hard test, like you have to actually put into a lot of effort. Like it may seem easy, but when you have to study a lot for it, it's not just like, oh, it's not luck or anything. Like you actually have to put in all the work. And I think Piece of Pie is a great option for a student who wants to get a really good score in either math or English. And I think they should put out like commitment and they're gonna be fine.